Hello, Wise Nation. Have you ever wondered why gas stations warns you never to use your phone close to the cooking gas? Have you ever thought about that? It's not a superstition, it's science. Follow me in this video. Let me extremely explain to you the science behind it. Cooking gas is made of highly flammable hydrocarbons like propane and butane. That is why when there is small leak, the gas mixes with the air and become explosive. Now, the main danger of going into the kitchen where there is gas with your phone is that the phone battery or the ringing vibration can create a tiny electric spark which can cause explosion. Now, Wise Nation, you guys need to understand the disadvantages of all of these things. Even if you are so smart to dodge or save yourself from the bombs, from the explosion, what about inhaling the gas? You know that inhaling gas can cause lungs irritation. It can cause headache. In severe cases, it can cause oxygen deprivation. So, Wise Nation, anytime you are close to gas, please keep your phone away. It's not just about the fire safety. It's also about your lungs, your health, and your life. Your skin, your house, your property, your everything is very important, please. Prevention is better than cure, they say. Alright, thank you for watching this video. It's me, your daily dose of truth for a healthier life. Please share this video